Dude, I thought we were both on meal plans. What are you doing eating chocolate cake? Well, this only has 200 calories and 22 grams of protein made from whole source ingredients, so it fits my meal plan. How do you make that? I will show you. First off, you're gonna grab a blender. Then you can put egg whites in that blender. Add a whole bunch of eggs to that blender. Add a whole bunch of bananas to that blender. Add protein powder. Add cocoa powder. Add oat flour. Add stevia. Add some baking powder. You know what? I think I added too much stuff. I'm just gonna blend this up real quick to make a bit more room. Okay, that's much better. Now I'll add baking powder. And I'm gonna blend that once again. Okay, so now we grease the pan with some coconut oil. I put some oat flour into there and I mix it around so it won't stick to the sides when I bake it. Then we throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. The icing is just milk, coconut oil, and protein powder all mixed together at just the right amount. And spread that evenly over your cake and you got a double chocolate banana protein cake. Isn't this delicious? So good.